Go.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the fourth way out. The fourth way out, which I'm so dumb, I realized I have a fence gate. So let's go through there. Oh my god, he's right there.
Get him, suckers!
I give up, man.
Hands behind your back. No, I don't trust him.
Arrest me. Hello? You gonna arrest me?
You're free to go. You're just a little kid.
Okay, thank you.
Smuggling thief. Go.
Stop following me. Oh, I get tasered.
You finally got that from the scum. Just in case. Hey, are you dead?